Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. I'm Weston Palmer. Let's get started. But first, a thank you to my Patreon supporters. I love the interaction and feedback. I'm going to show you how you can put multiple lines from different fields on a single chart, multiple line combo chart. I've got this data set here. It has a date, it has a low, has a target, has a high value. Let's say these are defects, and then an actual. Come to sheet 2, I'm going to bring the date over to the columns. I'm going to need to change that to the date. It'll become continuous. Now I'm going to bring the actual over, I'm going to bring the high over, I'm going to bring the low over, and you can see what's happening is that they're not in the same chart. And actually for the actual, I want to make that like a shape, orange shape. All right. So what you can do is you can right click and dual axis. Right click, can't do it there, but you can come here and dual axis. But I want all of those lines on the same chart. So let's go ahead and clear these off. The way you can do this, bring the measure names under the filters and select the lines that you want. So we have the high, low, and target. Select OK. Nothing happens. So now we grab the measure values, drag that over to rows, and that gives us what we are looking for. Come to color, we're going to change the color. We're going to change the high to a gray, the low to a gray, and the target to a dark blue. Now when we bring over the actual value, we can bring that over as a pill on the rows as well. And now select dual axis. That's pretty messy, isn't it? And we're going to synchronize the axes, and then we're going to come in here to the actuals, and we're going to change this from automatic. We're going to change it to a shape. Going to make it a diamond. And come in here, change the actual to orange, and probably change the size a bit. I mean, you can do formatting. This is how you create multiple lines from different fields onto the same chart. Ideally, you could combine all of these values into one column and then have another column or field that says low, target, high. That'd be another way of approaching it, but sometimes you don't have that flexibility with your data. The 17 nulls, that's just referring to the fact that the actuals do not have actual values clear out here into the future. So you can just go ahead and hide that. So once again, you're coming to measure names, bring the measure names under the filters, select the items you want, and then bring the measure values under the rows or columns, depending on how you want your chart. Let me know if you have another way of creating a chart like this. I hope you'll check out these other cool videos that I've selected for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below.